And the other thing with the scooter is there's a bit of play. It's ever so slight, but you can definitely feel it in the stem here. The bearings just need a bit of a nip up, so you undo this screw here. Hard to see, and yeah, there's a screw there and a screw just here. Gotta loosen them off, and then you gotta just drop this stem down and break that back and then tighten this up. So we'll do that. Alright. So got a 5. That's a 5. So we'll just loosen that off a bit, and then what's this side? That's also a 5. Oh, not even seeing what I'm doing. That's a 5. So we'll just loosen that off so there's not too much tension on it. Alright, and then I don't have the right tool to tighten this up, but I reckon I can hack something. Alright, so I've just got an Allen key, and I'm just going to slightly tap this just so it tightens up, and I reckon that will probably take that play out, and we'll do those nuts back up again and see how it feels before we lock it off. So, put that back on there. Alright. That one. No, we should do it. Just put it out of the way. Right. So that should do it, I'd say. Yeah, that's taking the play out of it, so pretty happy with that. See how it rides. Alrighty, we'll just see how this guard is. Yeah, it's got full tyres and brake probably needs adjusting a bit, but definitely feels the go. Yeah. Yeah, pretty stoked with that. Alrighty. Job done, I reckon.